Hi, so right now I'm going to unbox what I just ordered. So, okay, I need this. I don't have enough light. It's already late afternoon, but I just want to open this because I'm excited. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. All right, so again, you have to look at this so that you have the right number of items. So this is what I have right now. Okay, I bought Atomy toothpaste. I cannot go without the toothpaste. So this is what we use, and all my bathrooms has this. And also I have the small toothpaste. I like this because this is what I use for travel. And if you have the oral care, you can just refill the toothpaste once it runs out. Now, this one is my deep cleanser. Okay, I use this to remove my makeup, and it's very, very effective because it doesn't really remove any residue, and that is very important if you want to sleep with a clean face. And this one, oh boy, it's heavy because I had a friend who ordered this for me. She's not ready to become a member, but that's okay, because sometimes when they want to buy items but are just really so scared of being a member because they've been burned by other MLM companies, so they just want to use the items, and that's okay. So here it is. I have herbal conditioners. My friend wants 6 of this, so I suspect that the whole family is using it, even moms and kids and all that. See, I have 6 of those, the conditioner. And if you have long hair, definitely you'll be using up more, but I tell you, Atomy, you don't have to use a lot. And this conditioner is so good because it does not weigh your hair down. Most conditioners would always do that. That's why they always say, don't put so much because it would wear your hair down. With Atomy, that never happens. It gives a little bounce and lift. I don't know how Atomy does it, but that's how good our products are. And then I have my Atomy hair tonic. I always use this. So if you'd see my hair, I didn't blow dry this, but it still has the bounce and the volume. And I always use the Atomy hair tonic, and this is really for growing your hair. I don't want to stop using this because at my age, at 62, I believe that my hair would need a certain boost and nutrition so that it will keep on growing healthy and strong. And this one is the Atomy lotion. I love the lotion, and it's perfect for weather that is normally tropical when it's kind of hot. So here in Manila, it's not, we still have the cool months right now until February. It's January now. But when it gets hot, this is really very, very good because it works, and yet it's not heavy and sticky. Most lotions are really sticky once it's really meant for very, very dry skin. But with Atomy, this one really works so well. And the last but not the least, because I want one in every bag, and this is the Atomy Lip Glow, the one with the tint, so that when you put something on your lips, this will give it a little bit of tint, so it doesn't come in heavy. You can use it every day. So I just want to share with you, these are my Atomy stash. I know you can't see everything because I put my box down, but never miss this out. Always have an Atomy toothpaste with you, and you can pair this with our Atomy toothbrush. These are excellent products, so let me know what you bought today.